Hey everybody, this is Tina. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a couple days before I made a video, so I wanted to come and share with you a thank you card that I received in the mail, and also I want to share with you the cards that I created with my April's La La Land kit. Okay, so first of all, Bambi Olsen. She's here on YouTube. She doesn't make videos, but I had sent her a little happy mail, and she obviously was sending me a thank you card. But you guys, look at how this came. This envelope came to me in the mail like this, empty, completely empty. I'm not sure that a machine cut it open, because the cuts on the sides are like really neat. It looks kind of like they put a envelope ripper in there and just ripped the sides. I don't know if the machine did it or what, but Bambi, if you're watching, I'm so sorry. I'm assuming that this was a thank you card, but this is exactly how the little envelope came to me in the mail, and I won't flip it over because it has her address on it. But yeah, it was postmarked April 25th. It was postmarked. Yeah, and look at how our mail company, or how our mail service is. This is so sad. I am so sad that I did not get the thank you card. I'm sure that it was beautiful, Bambi, and I want you to know that you are so welcome for the little happy mail. There's no need to resend a card or anything like that. It's not your fault that this happened, so I'm really sad about that. Okay, and the next card that I got was from Mo. And Mo had won a couple of my secret giveaways. And she is Mo Creations on YouTube. This is her cute little stamp in the back. Isn't that adorable? The little coffee cup. I love that. And look at her card. So pretty. And she has done exactly what I do, and I'm not sure if you got this idea, Mo, from me. I got the idea from Sybil B. She cut the grateful out a few times, glued it together on top of each other, and then on the top layer she colored it and glossy accented it, and it kind of makes it like hard, so it makes it look like it's an actual acrylic piece. It's so pretty. I love doing that to my cards, Mo. And I love the way you did this. And this is my favorite color, too. I don't know if you know that, but that is so pretty. And then she has this stitch scalloped die that goes like this. I love the rainbow colors at the bottom. And it says, grateful for you. And then look at this little cute heart. She did the same thing. She layered it, glued it, and then glossy accent and colored it with the purple. And the purple matches the underlayer of purple. So pretty. Mo, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I love this card. And inside she was just saying, just wanted to say thank you for all of your generosity towards your subscribers. So happy I was one of the recipients for the last 2 giveaways, Mo. So that's so awesome. And look at you guys. She did the inside of the card. I love that. I love that idea. I've had so many people say to me how they like the idea of doing the inside of the cards. I have always done the inside because I just think, excuse me, I just think that it polishes off the cards so nicely. So Mo, thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my heart for sending me this card. It's so pretty and I really appreciate it. So with that being said, you guys, that was the 2 happy mails, or the 2 thank you cards that I received. Well, Bambi's wasn't actually in the envelope, so that's really sad, but I know she sent it. So that was the thoughtfulness is the most that, I appreciate more. So okay, so this was April's La La Land kit, and I cut the stamps apart and I put them on my piece of what is this called? Oh my goodness, I can't think. anyway, this plastic piece here, the stamps stick to it. And then on the back, this is how I store my club card kits. And I might have showed this before, but I glue on the magnet on the back, and I keep the dies that came in the kit on the back. And then on the front, they stick. See, they stick to this. It's laminated. That's right. I want to buy a laminating machine. I have not gotten one yet. But these cards were actually from Crafter's Companion. I just cut them in half and rounded the corners. And I'm running out. So I need to buy a laminator so I can do this myself. It's very easy. I like the way it works for me. I store the kit in here like this. And then I store it just like this in my, my storage box. Now, these are just extra dies that were cut out. I just left them in there. On these cards that I made, I used, of course, my Gina Marie X-Stitched rectangles, because I always use them. Those are my go-to dies. And then I have this in my stash from a while ago. I don't remember. I might have even gotten this from Sybil B. I'm not 100% sure. But a way back, I bought a bunch of things from Sybil B, and this might have been in there. But I absolutely love this little suitcase. And I love the way it's colored. Now, mine didn't come out exactly like this, but it did come out rustic looking. And then I used this little stamp here, and it says Lala Land on it. And it's the little postage stamp. So, this is a cute little set. I don't know if it's, I'm pretty sure it's not still available. I don't know when this came out, but yeah, I've had this in my stash for a while. So, I did use that. I used papers from this paper pad. And then I used some of my Kane Company paper that I just recently picked up from Tuesday morning. So I thought that this paper would be really nice for the cards. And then I stored my extra pieces. I always glue down this manila envelope in my 12 by 12s. And I put all the scraps and the pieces in here. That's how I store them. And then I just slide my paper pad back in my cubes from IKEA. So that is what I used. And let me share with you guys the 3 cards that I made. Okay, so this is the first card. And you can see how that paper from that Kane Company goes so well with this type of card. And then there's the Paris from the die. I colored Marcy with my Copics. Here's her little poodle. And then there's a piece of paper from the Kane Company. There's one layer in the back that covers the card. And then there's this layer that's sideways. And I used it because it had the big postage stamp piece in the background and scripty words. And I thought it was perfect for this kind of card. And then here's one of those little gold bows that I got from Tuesday morning. So there is my card in the front, and then here's the inside. And again, I used that one of these little die pieces from the kit. And then, so the front, it just says Paris, and then the inside it says, it's a good day to have a good day. So I wanted to make the cards where I could use them when I need a card. And it's not often that I need a card for travel. So I wanted to make this different. So the sentiment, it's a good day to have a good day, is basically any day of the week. So that's the first card that I made. And then here's the second card. Again, I used the Kane Company paper. But this one is where I used the suitcase, and I colored with Copics, and I colored it the best I could to make it look rustic, or make it look like it did on the package. See how it looks on the package? So that's the way I colored it, because I wanted it to look rustic. And I put one of the poodle that was laying down in the kit, I put that one laying down on the package, on the suitcase. Marcy's colored with Copics. And then here's that La La Land stamp, the postage stamp. It says La La Land on it. Ooh La La. And then the Paris. I love the colors I used in this one, in the Marcy. She's so cute. And I thought she came out really well. And then so here's the inside. And I used another little poodle. Here's that cross-stitched by Gina Marie. And I just made a mat so you could write your information with more of that K & Company paper in the background. So that is my second card. And then the third card I made was an A2 size card. These cards are A5 size. I like making this size card. But the A2 size card, I used papers from that other paper pad, that My Mind's Eye paper pad that I shared with you guys, this one. I used the papers from that to make this card. And in this one, I just used the 3 poodles. And I'm not sure you can see, but in the poodle's hair, on the top and on the side and the little pom-pom on the tail, I made little squirrels marks, like with the Copics, kind of like little circles, to make it look like it was like curly hair, poodle hair. I did that on all of the little poodles. I added little black marks on their cheeks, so it looks like that's where their whiskers come from. The polka dot paper, and then this one has hot air balloons in the background, so I thought that was really cute for the card. And it says sending oodles and poodles of love. It's so cute. I love that sentiment. And you could send this card to a friend, to a relative, anybody that you want to send to. It's an everyday kind of card. And then I added this little satin bow that I had in my stash on the front. And then here's the inside. Inside is just basic. I used a strip of the polka dot paper and then a strip of the green polka dot paper on top. That came from this paper, and I'm not sure you can see, but the other part, besides the balloons, the other part is a mint green with polka dots on it. So I used a piece of that paper just for that strip inside. And then that's the third card. And then I always put my stamp on the back. There's been a couple times I forgot, but I tried to remember to put my stamp on the back. So these are my 3 cards, you guys, that I made with that La La Land kit from April's release. I'm so glad that you stopped by just to watch my video. I hope you have a blessed day, and I'll be back with more projects pretty soon. All right, you guys, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. Have a blessed day. God bless, and we will see you next time. Bye.